Instrument and accessories display. Instrument wiring. First, ground the tester. Connect the LV test cable to UA, UB, and UC. Connect the HV test cable to UA, UB, and UC. Connect the power cable. Transformer wiring. Connect the HV clamps to HV side of the transformer. Connect the LV clamps to LV side of the transformer. Instrument operation. Power on the instrument. Select TTR test. Setting transformer parameters. Start testing. Save the data. Print the data. View records. Power off and disconnect wiring. Turn off, remove the power cable. Remove test cables. Finally, remove the ground cable.